Hello and welcome to my home. I'm going to talk about what I'm doing to transition my summer vegetable container garden over to my fall vegetable container garden. And I'm getting started and just moving right along, so I want to show you what I'm doing. Let's go. So like I said, we're transitioning, and you can see a lot of my tomato plants I've taken up already, and I just have a few left. I have some green tomatoes. This late in the season, I've been frying those green tomatoes southern style. More green tomatoes. Now I do have a few red tomatoes that I hope will get ripe this week. This week is going to warm up a bit, so I'm hoping these two and those two will be nice and ripe. And then I got some more green tomatoes. Hopefully that's in the shot. But over here in this direction, this is where I had my other tomato plants and my cantaloupe and my cucumbers. And you can see they're gone, and I'm transitioning into my fall planting. So right here are my collard greens, and I'm going to wait until they get bigger. They're starting to get that second set of leaves, which we refer to as true leaves. And then once they get there, I will thin out this bucket, but also transplant some to another container. And I have two types of collard greens. These are the Champion brand or variety. And this one is called the Southern Collard. And one of my subscribers asked if I've ever grown these, and I haven't. So I'm going to give these a shot. Here's some of my spinach that's coming along. And all the spinach seeds did not come up. So I already, before I started filming, planted some more seeds in this container and in that container. So I'm sure those were older seeds that I had, so I'm hoping this second round of planting will get me some full pots of spinach. Now this container and that container, I just planted some beets, and they're called Early Wonders. And I think if I remember the package, they mature within 50 to 55 days. So I'm looking forward to some beets. Now here's my turnip greens. Now I've already had some pickings of my turnip greens and cooked those, and they were delicious. These are called Purple Globe, and I'm really growing these turnips for the greens and not so much for the actual bulb itself. And that's why I have them planted so close together. Here's some more of my turnip greens. And under here, can you guess what I might have? It's kale. That is my kale. I gotta cover up to try to keep the butterflies from laying eggs and all those little caterpillars eating it. So I have that. And finally over here, I have my broccoli. Now last year I grew broccolini. Another subscriber several years ago recommended that I grow broccolini, and I grew that last year, and I thought it was delicious, but I had family members that didn't like the broccolini, so I'm growing broccoli this year. Broccoli can be a little more, I want to say, finicky, but I'm going to have to separate these because there's way too many in this container, and I really shouldn't let them get this big before I started transplanting them, but I'm hoping that it'll be okay. And some more broccoli. Now here's my okra. You can see that the leaves are starting to dry up. There's some okra pods up there that I'm going to pick. But I'm going to pull up the rest of these stalks. So you can see once the weather changes and it gets cold, okra is a hot weather plant. So it knows it's time to say bye-bye. My marigolds are still doing really good, even though we had some wild weather. We had several days of a heat wave, and before the heat wave, we had several days of really cold temperatures. Um, it was kind of crazy. And my blueberries took a hit, and I'm going to show you those. You can see how the blueberry plant got some dried leaves, but that was mostly during the heat wave. It looks like it's coming back. This one right here is my oldest blueberry bush. And it is 2 years old, so I can give it a nice pruning and it should be okay. This blueberry plant is not as old. I'm not going to prune on it as much, but I'm going to try to get rid of some of that so that when it comes back next year, it'll have a nice fresh start. So I have all my different little fall seeds planted. You know, my spinach, my kale. These are some of my seeds. And you know, you saw what I had. And I'm going to be planting some other things as well. I think I want to plant some carrots. And I'm thinking about planting some additional spinach other than the 2 containers that I showed to you. And we'll see what else I come up with to plant. And I'll show you that later on in the season. But right now there's another video coming up right behind this one, so be sure to click on that one. And until next time, happy gardening.